Wow. Yay! Yay, baby girl! Yay! You're such a motor genius. Yes, I do.
You want to do it again? Yes, she does. Okay, you ready?
Second lap. Same as the first. A little bit faster, a little bit worse. I'm mowing the lawn. Mowing the carpet. Yay, baby girl! Yeah.
You're learning real quick.
She's gonna walk. Ah!
Yay! You got it!
Okay. And there's the dead Christmas tree.
Alright, one more time. You ready? And go!
Anna, her belly. Oh, I forgot eggs.
You're doing good. Your booty's falling out. Come on.
Happy dance. That was the happy dance.
No. You are standing.
Anna, untuck her shirt. Untuck. There it is. Oh, crash.
It's okay. Stand back up.
Anna, I can't believe you got her to do that with just the little one. She can't stand up yet. Yeah, but it doesn't lock in place. That handle doesn't lock.